Do you have any problems on HR and finance matters, so you can't hire anyone that can help you to solve these matters? Well, InTune is the answer.
In delivering our finance and HR services, we have actually crafted and customized different packages for our clients in both the finance and the HR. So we have small, medium, and large packages for both our services. Perhaps I will start to explain what's in the small, medium, and large finance services first. A small finance services is very similar to hiring diploma or a certificate holder, where the person actually enters all the accounting documents like sales invoices, expenses, etc. into the accounting system, do the bank recon, close the monthly accounts at the end of the month to produce the financial reports for the clients. So that is small package. As we move to medium package, we do all that we do in a small package with an addition where we also help clients to do their daily finance matters like paying their suppliers, paying their rental, utilities, etc., preparing the payment voucher, and so on. The medium package in terms of the fee base is very similar to hiring perhaps a fresh accounting graduate. And we will also have finance meeting twice a year with the client, and the purpose is to go through the numbers with them, let them understand their financials, analytics, and giving them opportunity to actually tweak their business accordingly. As we move to the large package of the accounting outsourcing, it is very similar to an outsourced financial controller. We will do all that we do in a small and medium package, but what is very unique, extra, and value add in the large package is that you have access to a financial controller, a chartered accountant. So in our profession, the chartered accountant is at the highest level because of the experience, skills, and qualification. Every month for 2 hours, you will be meeting your accountant to go through the numbers, your financial analysis, where she would also highlight risk areas for you, and then how to manage your businesses better, and also discuss about tax planning, etc. etc. It is like an outsourced FC, but at a very much reasonable fee or price. So between the small, medium, and large, so the bigger the package, the bigger the fee, that's one. The more scope of work that we would be doing, more importantly, the involvement of the higher level management, i.e. the director level or the accountant level, will be more. In terms of service level agreement, our small turnaround time, SLA, is 10 days, medium is 2 days, and the large package is 1 day. What this means is that, for example, a large package, a request is being put through, so we will respond within 1 working day. This is how we actually crafted different packages, different pricing, different scope of work for our clients. In our different sizes of our HR services, we have as small as just doing the payroll, that means calculating the staff salary, making sure EPF, SOCSO, EIS is complied with, paid on time and all that, to preparing HR related letters like employment letter, offer letter, confirmation letter, bonus increment letter, etc. In all our SML services, we also help clients to set up a cloud-based HR management software, because we actually believe in one of the success for SMEs is actually to digitize their processes. So we set up a HR cloud software for that, so that their staff can self-service to take their own pay slips, to update some information, to apply leave online, and also to submit their claims online. And the entire approval process is also online. So setting up system is one of our work. Perhaps I explain the large package in detail. As a HR department, what we also do for new incoming staff is onboarding and orientation process. So when my clients hire a new staff, and when the staff comes to work the first day, as a HR, we would do an onboarding process with them where we will run through the job description, ensuring that they are extremely clear of what is expected of them, go through the employee handbook with them so that they understand what are the company policies, the company's vision, mission, etc., what are the do's and don'ts. So we would do that with our clients' new staff on their first day of work, so that's called onboarding. So we also have offboarding process in our delivery of services, where when a staff resigns as an HR, we would actually speak to them to understand how have they been with the company, what was their experience, and what are their reasons for leaving. So HR, after compiling all this information, we will share with the management so that my clients know how to manage their talents better. So we also do work like job posting or headhunting. When they want to hire certain positions, we will discuss with them what are the possible job descriptions, how much to pay, etc. And we will proceed to advertise this position, and we will help them to do the selection process, first interview, do reference check, etc. Once we are happy with the candidate, that means they pass the level 1 of the interview, we would then actually pass on this candidate to the hiring manager of my clients to do the second interview. So in addition to that, we also involve in helping my clients to manage the performance of their staff and staff counseling. In any company, actually, there may be staff issues here and there. The most common one being, sometimes staff come late, habitual lateness, or, maybe they spend a lot of time on their handphone, they are not performing, etc., etc. So as a HR, our role is to coach the supervisors how to deal with these staffs, and failing which it is escalated to HR level to have a discussion with the staff, and possibly after that to issue disciplinary letters or warning letters or show cause letters. So that's part of our scope of work as well. As a HR, we also do annual planning with our client, because we believe that to manage the talents, it needs to be forward thinking. So once a year, at the end of the year, before the start of the next year, so we will do things like, plan the training and development for the team for the next year. Speak to the bosses, what are the trainings that is required of the staff, what do they need, and also work with them to source for trainings. And number 2, we will also do salary benchmarking once a year. So that means that we will actually take a look at how much the client pays their staff and compare it to the market reports, whether they are actually paying according to market, above or under. And once a year, we also coordinate performance appraisal. So if our client already have a KPI system in place, they have their performance appraisal framework, we will also help to roll it out, coordinate the performance appraisal, making sure that the supervisors meet their subordinates to appraise and review the performance for the whole year. So generally, this is what we do in a large HR package in helping our client manage their staff, HR administration, and their talents better. We have a client in the IT business who have been with us for the last 4 years. InTune was involved in the setting up and incorporation of the Sendirian Berhad. When the startup first took up our services, they took up a small package because that's what they can afford. And the bosses don't mind to do more things on their own, like doing payments, etc. Then 2 years down the road, when they have more workload has increased, and when they decided that they need somebody to handle their day-to-day finance, for example, issuing payment vouchers and payments, they actually upgrade from small to the medium package. Just recently, after 4 years being with InTune, their business has grown even larger, and now they are taking the large package. This shows that, our packages are able to cater for different business at different stage of their business, and how deep is their pocket, or what is the budget that they have.
If you want to outsource your HR or finance matter, or maybe both, do not hesitate to call us now.